We're actually having blizzard conditions. You can probably hear the wind. It's not very strong right now. The snow is still coming down. Started last night. That's on top of 20.5 inches that we already had from last weekend. I'll give you a better idea how hard it's coming down. There's a little wind blowing. Ooh. I'm going to step hopefully down to the end of the driveway. That's the driveway. It was all cleared out yesterday. I'm going to try and walk down to the end and then look back at the house and show you what that looks like. There's some wind. Or trees. Okay, I'm heading down to the end of the driveway. Here's the road that passes in front of our house. Can't really see the road. Nothing but white. Okay, let's look at the house. Completely pulverized, and the driveway ends where the cars are parked, so you can't see anything in the driveway. And I want to show you the icicles. See, we have a lot of snow on the roof, kind of heavy. The wind's blowing, so hopefully some will blow off. I'm going to walk up and show you the icicles. This is a split rail fence. It's about up to my neck, I'd say, maybe my shoulders when I stand beside it. That's all you can see out of the snow. Here's the mailbox. Here are the icicles. They run all the way along. That has happened because the roof is warm enough to make the water drip off the front, and then it freezes as it's dripping. There's a really long one over there. There's some in the back too. I'll try and get into the backyard to show you. What you're looking at is the path that goes out into the backyard. We go underneath this little walkway here, which usually you can walk under without even ducking. Oh man, it's a bunch of snow blowing off the roof, and there are icicles all the way along. Let me step out here so you can see them better. I'll go over and get closer. Oh my gosh. And I'll show you the poor birds at the feeder too. There's a better look at the icicles right by the bedroom window. There's one there that's over 1 meter long, probably 1.5 meters. See, the snow is still coming down. We're getting pounded. For us, this is even amazing. Nobody's allowed to drive for 24 hours unless they absolutely must. The highway, the expressway, whatever you'd like to call it, the major thoroughfares are 1 lane only. Okay, let me turn around, show you the bird feeder. Nobody's there right now since I'm out here, but they're all hanging around up in the trees waiting for me to leave. This is too much even for us. There's our chairs. Alright, I'm closing down. It's too cold.